Deep beneath the hills of Camalig, Albay, lies a place filled with mystery, history, and adventure. A cave where cool winds never stop blowing, and a hidden tunnel that witnessed one of the darkest chapters of World War II. Today, Nice Travel TV takes you on an unforgettable journey to the Hoyop-Hoyopan Cave and the Japanese tunnel in Quituinan Hills. Let's explore! Our adventure begins at Hoyop-Hoyopan Cave, one of Albay's most famous natural attractions. The word Hoyop comes from the local Bicolano language, meaning to blow, named after the cool breeze that flows continuously through the cave. The moment you step inside, the temperature changes. The air becomes cooler, the surroundings become quieter, and you're welcomed by stunning limestone formations created by nature over thousands of years.
Sa inyo, good afternoon ako po ang inyong tour guide, si Gani po pangalan. So welcome po tayo dito sa Hoyop-Hoyopan. So bago po tayo tumuloy, so pakibasa muna ng implement rule galing sa akin para may idea po kayo.
Look closely and you'll notice fascinating rock formations that resemble different shapes and figures. Every corner has its own unique story, making every visit a different experience.
Stalactite kasi C stand for ceiling.
Ceiling.
Ito naman sa baba ay
Stalagmites.
stalagmite, G for ground. Magkukunek, so magiging ang tawag niya is pangalan, column or pillar. Kaya nagiging matibay ang kuweba dahil sa kanila.
But Hoyop-Hoyopan is more than just a beautiful cave. Archaeologists discovered ancient pottery, beads, and human remains here, proving that early communities once lived or sought shelter in this very place.
Artifacts, antique jars yan, or kalanay pottery jars ang old term nila. Yan naman po ay part ng ribs. And then dito sa unahan, third part is from eye socket. Ayan.
Saan po?
Ito po pinupunit ko ng flashlight.
Ayun.
And then ito na lang. Yan. Focus niya. Okay, yan. Last part is skull.
Oo nga, no?
Pero part siya ng molar side. So yan po ay mga human bone fossilized.
During World War II, the cave also became a refuge for local residents escaping the dangers of war, adding another important chapter to its rich history.
Nakatingin sila doon. Kasi doon ay Sorsogon area. Pag tumawid tayo, Cebu Leyte. So, sa Leyte, doon galing yung tropa ni General MacArthur, which is ang gumawa ng tunnel nila, kapwa natin Pilipino ng mga bilanggo nila.
Just a few minutes away is another historical treasure, the Japanese tunnel at Quituinan Hills.
Built during World War II, this tunnel served as a military shelter and defensive position for Japanese forces stationed in Albay. As you walk through these narrow passages, it's hard not to imagine what life was like here more than 80 years ago. Every wall and every turn reminds us of the sacrifices and struggles experienced during the war.
Ito po ay naging kulungan. May rehas po yun dito dati. And then nung nagawa na po yung ibang tunnels, ito pong kulungan na to ay nalipat na po doon sa ibang tunnels.
Today, the tunnel has been preserved so visitors can learn about its history while appreciating the beautiful surroundings of Quituinan Hills. It's a perfect destination for travelers who enjoy both history and nature. Our journey through Hoyop-Hoyopan Cave and the Japanese tunnel reminds us that every destination has a story waiting to be discovered. From ancient civilizations to wartime history, these places offer more than breathtaking views. They preserve the memories of the past for future generations. If you're visiting Albay, don't miss the chance to explore these incredible landmarks for yourself. Thank you for joining us here on Nice Travel TV. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next travel destination. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and we'll see you on our next adventure.